Welcome to Lingala Institute, lesson 15. Lesson 15 is about present continuous, and we'll be using the verb to eat, which is kolia. In present continuous, if I want to say I am eating, I'll say Nazolia. Let's say I receive a phone call from a friend like Voilà Lingala. Oh, Jonas, Ozali. Jonas, what are you doing? Nazolia, I am eating. Nazolia. Ozolia, you are eating. Azolia, he is eating. Tozolia, we are eating. Bozolia, you are eating. Bazolia, they are eating. Okay, the verb to eat, kolia. That's the infinitive. Present continuous, nazolia, I am eating. Ozolia, you are eating. Azolia, he or she is eating. Tozolia, we are eating. Bozolia, you are eating. Bazolia, they are eating.